Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nana Naja with NIM 24_22. Here I will explain the result of mini research regarding Pangkakulon Village. Introduction. Pangkakulon Village is one of the villages in Ujupaka District, Gresik Regency, which is located on the north coast of Java Island and directly border the Java Sea, divided into residential areas, rice fields, pond, and mangrove forests around the coast. Geographically, Pangkakulon Village has regional boundaries including Banyuur Village to the west, Kebun Village to the south, Pangkawetan Village to the east, and the Java Sea to the north. The social system of Pangkakulon Village is still traditional, with village leaders directly elected by the community. Apart from that, there are several social institutions such as youth organization and PKK, which are active in the social and community sectors. The economy of this village community is dominated by the agricultural, fishing, and local trade sectors. 1. Social group and social dynamic. Social group in Pangakul village consists of 4 to more including 1. Farmer group and fisherman group. 2. Traders group. 3. Village youth group. Social dynamic. The social dynamic in Pangkakulon village reflect the interaction between existing social groups including 1. Intergroup interaction. Cooperation between pond farmers, fishermen, and traders in the distribution of their harvests and catches. 2. Social change. Change in the technology they use in the agricultural sector and more equitable access to information have influenced people way of life. For example, the use of modern technology in agriculture can increase crop yields, but it can also change the social structure among farmers. Relevant sociological theories. Symbolic interactionist theory can be used to understand how individuals in social groups interact and construct meaning in their daily lives. In addition, functional structural theory is also relevant for analyzing how each social group contributes to the stability and welfare of society as a whole. Social stratification and social mobility. In Pangkakulon Village, social stratification can be seen in the following aspect. 1. Economic status. Village society can be divided into several layers based on income and type of work. For example, farmers who have large areas of lands and good harvest tend to have a higher economic status compared to small farmers. 2. Power and influence. There are individuals or groups who have greater influence in decision making at the village level, such as village heads, Islamic boarding school owners, and organizational leaders. In Pangkakulon village, social mobility can occur in several forms. 1. Vertical mobility. For example, a child of a pond worker managed to continue his education at university and then found a good job outside the village, thus improving his family's social status. 2. Horizontal mobility. The layer, for example, market traders who previously sold chicken switched to selling fish but remained in the same social layers. Relevant sociological theories. The theory of social stratification by Max Weber and Karl Marx can be used to analyze social stratification in Pangkakulon village. Apart from that, the social mobility theory Sorokin explained that vertical mobility can occur both upward mobility and downward mobility, and the horizontal mobility theory shows change in position within the same social layers without a change in status. Cultural ecology and community adaptation to the environment. In Pangkakulon village, cultural ecology can be seen in the following aspect. 1. Natural resources. Pangkakulon village is close to the coast, so the community depends on natural resources such as the sea and pond land. Fishing community, yes, rely on fish catches, while pond farmers use land for fish cultivation. 2. Local culture. Pangkakulon community culture such as jaranan is part of the cultural identity of the local community. The way people interact with their environment, including in artistic practices, reflects existing value and belief. Some forms of adaptation that can be identified are 1. Sustainable agricultural techniques. communities adopt sustainable agricultural techniques to maintain soil fertility and reduce negative impact on the environment. For example, the use of organic fertilizer to increase agricultural yields. 2. Fisheries resource management. Pond farmers who are involved in aquaculture on pond land demonstrate a form of adaptation to the environment and the challenges they face. Relevant sociological theories. Social ecological theory developed by sociologists such as Julian Stewart and Eric Wolf can be used to understand the relationship between people and their environment. This theory emphasizes the importance of interaction between social and environmental factors in shaping society, culture, and practice. Gender and development issues. In Pakulan, village gender issues include the roles, responsibilities, and rights of women and men in society. 1. Role of women. Women in this village are often involved in household work, agriculture, and small business. They also play a role in looking after children and families, but often do not receive equal recognition for their contribution. Despite efforts to increase access to education for women, there are still obstacles such as social norms that consider education for women to be less important than for men. This can result in low levels of female education in the village. Relevant sociological theory. Feminist theory and development theory can be used to analyze gender and development issues in Palakulan village. Feminist theory emphasizes the importance of gender equality and recognition of women's role in development, while development theory highlights how development can be carried out in an inclusive and sustainable manner. Social change and development in Pangakulan village, Subang Gresik. Context of social change. 1. Social dynamics. Pangakulan village experienced significant social changes due to interactions between local communities and external factors, such as economic developments and government policies. 2. Economic influence. Changes in the economic sector, especially those related to pond cultivation and agriculture, have influenced the social structure of society. Economic development. One source of income to community empowerment. Advanced sociological theories. Social change and development in Pagakulan village, Ujung Pangkal Gresik, are related to Sorokin's theory of social change, Marx social economic theory, and Bourdieu's social capital theories. Supporting data and facts. Many households in Pagakulan village now have ponds that are managed independently. This shows an increase in community skill and knowledge about fisheries cultivation. Influence on people life. One, increased welfare. The chance from fishing to pond cultivation has increased people's income. 2. Economic independence. With community empowerment, they become more economically independent. 3. Change in social structure. Closing. Recommended solution and strategies for development of Pagakulan. 1. Providing capital assistance and training to communities to start small and medium business, especially in the fisheries and agriculture sectors. 2. Encourage sustainable cultivation practice such as seaweed and fish cultivation to increase yields and preserve the environment. 3. Build and improve road infrastructure, irrigation, and public facilities to support economic activities and community mobility. 4. Establish institutions or community forums that can regulate and manage natural resources in a sustainable manner. 5. Encourage active community participation in decision making related to village development and resource management. That's enough explanation from me. Thank you.